Finally, it has arrived. BoboVR headstrap S3 Pro. Let's see how it is for real. Really loved my BoboVR headstrap for the Quest 2. I'm dying to try out the S3 Pro strap. And here it is. S3 Pro headstrap by BoboVR. Ooh, really excited. Let's see. Installation instructions on the lid. Looks good. The quality. This is an extra spare part, I would say. Feels nice, sturdy. Gonna put it right here for now. The strap. A definite halo strap. I come to love from BoboVR. Feels really good. We'll see. Missing the battery. The battery, yes, this is the battery pack. Comes with the charging cable, USB-C. It's the B100, so 10,000 milliamps. Battery power. And we all know the Quest 3 needs it. Gonna give it a quick charge while I'm doing the rests. Let's see. Yes, it's charging. Got a little bit of juice. What do I need to do? Carefully remove the strap. Align the S3 Pro. Yeah, that's the arms. Insert the charging cable. Connect the strap. Let's see. This should be pretty straightforward. I've got a big head, so this should fit. I do wonder what this one is for though, because I cannot directly place it. We'll find out a little bit later. For now, removing the strap, unsnapping. Bye original head strap. And now to insert. Let's see. Yeah, ankling it upward a little. Otherwise it won't slide in, I guess. I do think, oh, I don't have the standards. Don't have the standard inlay, so it needs to go over there. Bumbling it up as far as I can get it, because I don't know if it will slide underneath. Otherwise, maybe I need to remove it first. And I'm gonna give it a go. Luckily, this is always a one-time process, because once you use this strip, you don't want anything else permanently. Yeah, nice, good fit. Okay, let's see if it charges up. snapping on straight away. It's charging. I could hear the beep from the wrist. Now for nice breeze. It's pretty silent. Oh yeah. Cooling off. 26% battery capacity. It's charging nicely. Let's see how it fits. It is made for people with even bigger heads than me, so that's good. Oh yes. The head strap I come to love so much. That is back. Well, hello there. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I love it. I really, really love it. Let's see. Turbo one. Wow. Should have gotten this one a long, long time ago with the Les Mills videos. Would have been a lot better. Excellent. I'm gonna rock this one. And I will do a good review very soon. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.